Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a list using Microsoft Lists for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365, coming for work, school, or business. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left top corner of the screen. Go to all applications. Explore all the applications. Go to lists, which will allow us to use to create, share, and track data inside the list. So this might be the first time that you access the application. Let's just skip for the moment. Let's now go to create a new list, blank list, the name of the list. Let's just go with Computer Science Videos. What is the list about? Let's just say social media videos. Choose a color, choose an icon. Let's just leave it the way it is. Add to my lists. Okay, create. Title, we can filter, we can also add a column if we want to, and then we can gradually start building up the list. Let's now A to Z. Let's have a number. Computer Science Videos, YouTube videos. Let's now save. And now we can continue to build up all these columns if we wish to. Let's click on new, a new item, 1, enter a number, let's just say 25, save, and there we go. That's how we gradually start building up the list. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.